So Claire, what are an employer's legal obligations here?
So an employer's general legal obligations are to look after the health and safety of their staff. So there are obligations in the Health and Safety Act that says that an employer must mitigate the stress on employees. But actually there are further obligations in this. They have to consider the obligations of mutual trust and confidence between employer and employee. So they must behave in a way that's reasonable. And then further lay on to that the obligations under the Equality Act, where if someone is disabled, you have an obligation to make reasonable adjustments. Now, a disability is defined as a physical or mental impairment that causes an effect on day-to-day activities and has a long-lasting effect. That's a short way of saying it. So mental poor health can really impact on this and can be a disability within the meaning of the Act.
I agree, Claire, and I think it's also worth bearing in mind that even if the employee hasn't told you, you still need to be taking into account what steps you might need to take to support them. And a practical step here is looking out for behaviour which might seem unusual or uncharacteristic for that particular employee. For instance, if they're acting in a way which is particularly unusual or they're more withdrawn than normal, that may be something that you can have a quiet word with them about to see if there's anything going on and that you can support them with moving forward.